This is how much I earned for the last 4 years sa mga social media platform views ko. Pag-usapan natin yan. So Facebook, alam naman natin it started roughly a year and a half. So you earn by views, tapos if ever sinasendan nyo ako ng gift, for some yung mga stars, meron konti. So eto lahat ng mga nasa Facebook ko. If you're going to add it all up, it's $991.32. Roughly 57,496.56 pesos siya. That is more than 1.5 year kasi it starts from December 2023 hanggang July 2024. And of course, I have Instagram. Instagram naman, I have 18,000 followers. Ito, wala akong kinikita because Instagram doesn't pay for views. Parang it's just really connected siya sa Facebook mo. Parang ganun siya. And then syempre we have TikTok. TikTok, I have 301.9k followers. Thank you so much, guys. And actually, hindi to yung first ever platform ko dito sa social media. Magulat kayo saan. Sa TikTok naman, I don't earn per views also because they don't pay per views. Pero I usually go on live, di ba? For the longest time, nagla-live ako. And ang nakita ko or na-earn ko dyan is $82.95, which is 4,771.29 pesos. Sa mga gifts nyo to. Thank you. Ito talaga ang first platform ko, it's YouTube. Since 2020 to. 41k followers lang ako dyan. And total earnings ko is $6,176.33. Roughly sa 350k pesos yan. Pero ang tagal ko bago ko na-reach yung 1k subs na yan. So guys, if you have time, please subscribe. Thank you again.